Shoveling the sidewalk. There's the cars. There's Uncle Ralphie shoveling the sidewalk. Uncle Ralphie shoveling the sidewalk.
It's fun.
All right. Show us your special shovel.
Huh?
Show us your special shovel. That's a special snow shovel for shoveling the snow. All right.
Found above the Mason-Dixon line.
Yeah. Yeah, really. There's the driveway. Look at all the snow. It's very deep.
Heavy, wet stuff. It'll probably be full right in about an hour again. Who knows?
Who knows? Look at the trees. Oh my gosh. Look at the cars. Can't drive out of the driveway today. There's the chicken coop. The chickens are all hiding. There's the road. I'm going to walk in the snow in the road. And there's the road. There's the snow on the roof. And here's my footprints in the snow. Oh, the snow is falling from the trees. Look at that.